Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce RAM usage in Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. First thing you can do is restart your system. A fresh restart clears the RAM and stops unnecessary background processes. After restarting your system, the next thing you're going to do is close any unnecessary applications from the task manager. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape. This takes you to the task manager. Now here, look for any applications you are not using currently. Right click and select End Task. If you are unsure of what a particular application does, I recommend looking it up online in order to avoid disabling critical system services. Now that we're through with the task manager, the next thing we're going to do is disable startup applications. This frees up system resources. So on your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. This takes you to the settings page. Now click Apps. Down here, click Startup. On this page, scroll through this list of applications and disable any apps that have high impact on startup by toggling these switches here. If you have an antivirus like me, you can just leave it on. Next thing we're going to do is adjust visual effects. Click the Windows icon, then type this in. Hit enter. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. Now on this page, click Adjust for best performance. This disables all visual effects. Now if you don't want Windows to look ugly, you can click this option here and this option here. Click Apply, then OK. Now the final thing we're going to do is scan for viruses. Viruses can take up a lot of RAM and make your system much slower. So if you have a third-party antivirus, you can scan for viruses, or you can also use Windows Defender. A video on how to do this should show up at the top right corner of the screen right about now. That's how to reduce RAM usage in Windows 11. I hope this video helped you. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.